Okay, in today's video, we have an unboxing video. I have right here the spring box for FabFitFun that was just released. I purposely didn't open it because I wanted to get it on camera so you can actually see the real reaction for what's in here. This video is partnered with FabFitFun, and if you're not familiar with FabFitFun, it's basically a seasonal subscription box that comes to your house 4 times a year. You basically get a box full of full-size products from fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and wellness. The theme of the spring box is metamorphosis and celebrating kind of transformation and beauty. And for me personally, I feel like I'm entering in a new phase of healing for my family. And so anyway, let's dive in. Let me grab my fancy scissor. Ooh, this is really pretty. Okay, without seeing the products, getting this box just made me really happy. Honestly, when the UPS guy came, it just made me really happy. And opening the box made me, I feel really happy. Look how pretty. And by the way, it's not like a blind box. You can actually customize some of the items that come in the box. This is so pretty. I want to take a picture before I open it. Just hang on, I want to get a picture before I unpack it all. Oh, a lot of stuff. Okay, sorry. Got my pleather pants on today. I'm trying to show my pants. Okay, so the first item in the box is the Revive Light Therapy Glow Wrinkle Treatment. And it looks like it is an infrared light treatment for your face, light therapy. Okay, so here is what it looks like. I'm gonna open it. This is really fancy. I don't own anything that is infrared light therapy for wrinkles. Ooh, and it comes with batteries. Okay, I'll stop. This thing retails for $68 normally, and it came with the box, which costs less than $68. So each box costs $49.99, but you get over $200 worth of full-size products. And for the first box, if you've never gotten it before, your first box, you can save $10 off using the code FREESTUFF. And again, you can customize many of the products that you get in each box. And if you're an annual member, you'll get the first round of shipments before it's sent out to anybody. So that's kind of cool. All right, so next we have Wish brand Blue Matcha Restorative Mask. Okay, it says, why blue matcha? I don't even actually know what blue matcha is. This unique blue ingredients found in nature has both restoring and purifying properties that will leave your skin radiant after just one use. I like how it smells. It's got this lemon floral. It's light. Okay, I shouldn't have touched it, but purifying and detoxing environmental stress. The mask goes on blue and fades as it works as magic. The mask retails for $58. And you get the full-size one. All right, so that's the mask. Okay, and then the next one, I've got a lip liner, if you can see it. It's a lip liner. Oh, no, it's not a lip liner. It's an eyeliner, precision tip liquid liner. Okay, not a lip liner. It's an eyeliner. I actually need a new eyeliner. Yay. Oh, good. Okay, precision tip eyeliner. Okay, so the brand is Ciate. I might be saying that wrong, London. And then I just looked it up. They retail for $19 for the liquid eyeliner that's supposed to last for 12 hours. So perfect timing for me. I actually needed some. Okay, and then we got this gravity weighted sleep mask. I just open it. This is really cute. I've never seen a weighted sleep mask before. My husband just said, dude, I'm stealing that. He really likes sleep masks. Yeah, we call all eye mask poop mask because the one that he had his beloved poop mask. It fell in the toilet by accident. So that's what we call it. 100% glass beads, weighted. I can't stop doing this. Reminds me of my son's weighted blankets. And it's like, yeah. And I just looked it up, the Gravity brand weighted sleep mask. They retail for $39, so basically $40, and they sell it at Target and at Bloomingdale's for the same price. And you're getting it, that's included in the kit. So I think it's pretty sweet that you're getting like all of these new products that you could try and feel fancy, basically for $39, right? Because the kit is $49.99, and then after the $10 off with code free stuff, you're getting it for $39.99 for everything. So yeah. And then we got a pack of silicone straws. Let's get this open. So it comes with 4 silicone straws and a straw brush. What's this? Is that a little carrier for the brush? Oh, that's cute. A little plastic case for the straw. Oh, you can put the straws inside. Oh, I thought it was for the brush. But yeah, so you can fold it because it's silicone. And you can put it in here, and you can actually put this on your keychain so you always have silicone straws with you. That makes sense. Because I was like, that's kind of funny. Much more eco-friendly than plastic straws. And this straw set retails for $15, and you can get it as part of the gift box. And then we have Winkie Luxe Rainbow Palm. So let me, this is a cute little package, it's small. Let's get this open. That's really cute. And it's got like 3 different colors. I guess that's why they call it rainbow. And it's like lip balm. And this little guy retails for $18. Basically, the 3 colors that you have on there, 2 of them are slight tints. So it gives you just a little bit of color. And then the last one I think is for pH balance. And it's cute. And then we have Jabonera Mary Annella Rosewood and Linseed Body Oil with mungongo and pomegranate oil. Pomegranate oil is pretty much the only thing I can read on here. Okay, so made with pomegranate seed oil, grape seed oil, apricot kernel seed oil, argan oil, and vitamin E. What is this for? Oh, it's like a moisturizer. Fancy, fancy. Made from 100% pure oil and vitamins. It's a cold pressed infusion oil that moisturizes the skin. It has anti-aging properties that moisturizes, smooth, and replenish your skin the way nature intended. Okay, let's try it. Let me put some on my hand first. I don't smell anything. Ooh, that's nice. It's like a really light scent, kind of like the mask, but it's really, really light. Okay, so I'm just gonna put some on my hand and then we'll leave that there. And we'll try it later. It smells really nice though. It's really like light. Cool. Just the bottle looks like. Okay, so the body oil, I looked it up. It retails for $68. And basically each is a custom blended by hand in small batches in their soap bar in Soho, New York City. So fancy, fancy. I feel all fancy. Okay, and then I've got this big thing in the bottom. Let's see what it is. Is it a bag? Feels like a bag. Packing cube. It's 3-piece set Calpac packing cubes. Oh, okay. Okay, let me open it. I think I know what it is. It's like bags for traveling. Okay, fits perfectly into luggage drawers, tote bags, gym bags, trunk spaces. Okay, so I'm gonna open these. So this is the 3-piece set, and these guys retails for about $40. And there is 3 that comes with it, and it has kind of like a name tag here or label. You can give it a label. And there's a zipper back here. How do you open the zipper? There you go. For some additional extra storage. And then you have the main compartment with the mesh opening. Let me just open it up to see what the small one looks like. So here's the small one. I've got this, and then the larger one right here. Okay, so I just counted. We have a total of 8 items, full-size items, and then the Cal Pack, of course, comes with 3 of the bags. All of this adds up to over $200 worth of stuff. And if you wanna check it out, again, you can use the code FREESTUFF for the first box. And yeah, I feel fancy. I can smell the oil on my hands. And I feel kind of like pampered. And yeah, so I'm excited to see future boxes. And for those of you who are international, FabFitFun is available in the US, Canada, and the UK. So if you're outside of those 3 countries, it's probably not available. I don't know. One of the cool things about FabFitFun is they actually pair up with charities every season, but also to support female-funded companies or female-found companies. So you get to get introduced to a lot of new brands, and yeah, okay. I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing video. It's a pretty box. And if you wanna see more unboxing videos like this, or maybe even other topics outside of couponing, let me know in the comments below, and I will see you guys next week. Bye. I really wanna show you guys my pants. I'm like in love with them, look. And my boots. Whoa.